Health Minister Sapam Ranjan has expressed that the state government shall never take any step to destroy the career of the students in Manipur. Health Minister has pledged support to displaced MBBS students from the Kuki-Jo community who were allegedly barred from taking exams. The minister reassured its students that the issue would be looked into, the necessary assistance would be provided to them. Notably, the spokesperson of the Manipur government, who is also the health minister, assured that none of the medical students from the Kuki-Jo community will ruin their careers because of this ongoing crisis. All due process is taken up for the welfare of the students' community following National Medical Commission guidelines. The assurance was made after MBBS students staged a protest on November 22nd on the grounds that they were allegedly debarred from appearing in the first-year examination, which commenced yesterday. Over 50 MBBS students from CIJA, Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences (JNIMS) and Regional Institute of Medical Sciences (RIMS) were allegedly barred from appearing for exams. Meanwhile, the first-year MBBS students, along with 27 internally displaced students, along with other students of the Churachandpur Medical College, protested after they were prohibited from appearing in their first-year examination.
First year, second exam second year December second year institute homesi ado sigi jina kamaina tawsege haibaziki advice amazo advice seek to the yada banina advice seek to duga akogi medical education jada mahaki internal assessment amasung attendance kari kari zo daka hoy banina sigi zo akoi Manipur University, Central University na seek tawgi duga amana amuk satra mayam jingi internship si mapana tawde ap sigi yamna yam elaborate hoina akoi ki tang tara ga November si da NMC si da National Medical si da commission si thagre sigi result ngai sigi awaiting the mogi reply ngai kari tawsige habito marande everything tawriba mayam je ki NMC ki permission NMC ki yaudaba yadabanina aduna smaina tawdana akoi sigi permission je ngai aduna akoi hozik sigi permission je lakpa kanda yes akoi satra jingi career satra jingi sahi mangan biyate, which is very important. Aduna sigi advice amasung asomdagi akoi da takpi rakdugi matungina we will act accordingly. I believe can also Central University, Manipur University,